After you're all set up with the bot, log in where you chose conservative, moderate, aggressive, and hit daily bot management. This is going to help adjust your entries depending on how well things are going. So once you click on that, after each trading session, as your account balance changes, make adjustments to protect and grow your account. So this is an example. You can select your risk level that you have chosen, your trailing threshold, and your position sizes. Next, you're going to enter these results in NinjaTrader. You're going to right click on the screen on NinjaTrader, and then this will come up under strategies. And under order handling, you can change your entries per direction there, whether you need to add or subtract as time goes by. So click here for the interactive sheet. When you click that, that is going to open up this right here. You're going to choose whether you chose your setup as conservative, moderate, aggressive. Choose that, and then select distance from your trailing threshold. This is greater than or equal to. So when you first start, let's say with a $50,000 account, for example, your threshold is 2,500. So if your account balance goes down, you're going to need to make adjustments. And as it goes up, you're going to need to make adjustments. So let's say that the account has gone down and you are less than $1,500. You would choose 1,500 because this is equal to, or maybe it's less than, and this is going to show you your new position sizing. So you're going to go in back to this area in NinjaTrader and put your entries to your per direction down to 1. Let's say your account is growing well and you are now at 2750 away from your trailing threshold. If you notice, once you do that, your entries per direction would go to 4. So you would go back into NinjaTrader the next day, go into your strategies, and you would change this to 4.